dude. That's what's
Me
up.
and Patty have a big math test tomorrow,
Do you?
and then we're
Big
fucking struggling.
Fucking struggling, dude. Well, here, I'm here to help you guys. That's the whole point.
There's a lot to cover, so we need to get started.
All right, let's get it started then. Here, let me.
All right. Well, we got chemistry. Well, not test for chemistry, but we got a couple chemistry questions.
Okay.
Do you
cool.
know? Do you know anything about dimensional analysis?
I know everything about dimensional analysis, dude. I'm a dimensional analysis math.
Trusting the process.
Dude, trust the process, believe in everything, and all your dreams will come true, dude.
You should have seen my teacher the first day. He wore like this trust the process shirt because it was like
is that like a Kobe quote or something?
no. It's something from like NBA because it was like the team was purposely losing and having really bad seasons so they can like get better draft picks, and then in the end they're not like one of the best teams now. I think it's the 76ers right now.
Dude, I swear trust the process was Kobe, dude.
I'll search it up right now. It's
All right,
something like
yeah,
that.
you get it real quick.
Trust
Let me pull in the
process.
chem. I'll pull in the chem stuff too. All right.
Yeah, so it is the 76ers.
It's the 76ers. Okay, cool.
Yeah.
What was it? Allen Iverson used to be the guy on that team. You guys only know Iverson from probably, what's his name? Fucking Tattoo Boy. What's his name? The rapper Post Malone. White Iversons. White Iversons is one of his songs. Yeah. Okay, cool. All right, here. You want? Oh, let me share my screen on Discord too.
You streaming on Twitch?
I am doing it all, but here you go.
All right.
I got you on Discord. All right, stoichiometry. Yes, stoichiometry is very useful because it's the way that we figure out like how many blank equals how many blank. It's a great like units conversion thing.
Yeah, we've been doing a lot of moles to grams.
Yes, moles to grams, mole ratio is very important. What's up, Sor? What's up, Sam? Good to see you guys. All right.
Patty.
And Patty's here, dude. What's up, Patty?
All right, Patty, I promise you one chem question, then we can go to math.
Says one.
I mean, we in the same chem class, so.
Yeah, so
it's
pull
probably
it up.
good to
Slide
learn
21, Patrick.
anyways. Okay.
Huh?
All right.
Slide
If 20
21.
grams of zinc metal reacts completely with hydrochloric acid, how many blah, 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 blah. Okay. How we always do stoichiometry, guys, they always say question mark, what are you trying to get? So here they're trying to ask you how many, grams of zinc chloride?
Zinc chloride.
So just write that first. Grams of zinc chloride.
G of ZnCl2.
That's what you want. Always write down what you want. It's a good
Do it to
metaphor
the
in life.
left?
Yeah, what do you mean to the left, dude? You mean I put my question mark to the left, dude?
No, you put like the equal sign, like the complete to like the left.
Is it
Like you
to
do the
the
work
left?
to the right?
No, do it here. Do it this way. I'll show you why.
Okay.
Wait,
This is what you want.
Slide
This
is
is-
this, Philip?
What
Slide 21.
you want, right? What is this?
Yep.
This is chemistry, Sora. This is stoichiometry. It's important. Actually, this is like one of the first fucking things I ever taught on the stream, but I'll do it again. All right, what do you want? And then you got to write down like what you got, right? So
We had
what do
20
we got?
grams of
So write
20
that. 20
Gs of Zn.
of zinc, right? This is always
Yep.
the what we got, okay? The goal of stoichiometry is always to just try and turn this like what you got into what you want, all right? Okay? And the way we do that is we multiply this by what's called scale factors, okay? That's these things with the parentheses with the fucking good. All right, good to see you, Mega Max. Hello. So the first thing I need to do, I have two things I need to, well, actually, really only one thing. I just need to get from like grams of zinc to grams of ZnCl2, okay? And the only way to do that is to use this right here, which is kind of like a recipe book. You see how this is like a recipe book? It says like one zinc, right, plus 2 hydrochloric acids gets me 1 zinc chloride plus 2 hydrogen gases, right? Or plus 1 hydrogen gas, sorry. One zinc chloride plus 1 hydrogen gas.
Yep.
But the important thing about this recipe book is that all these numbers here, right, this 1, this 2, this 1, and this 1, these are all in terms of what? Grams or moles? Good.
Moles.
I'm only allowed to use this when I'm doing things with moles. So the first step is I need to convert grams of zinc into moles of zinc, okay?
So how many grams per mole are in zinc?
Good.
Yes.
Yeah. So the way to do does anyone have a periodic table or something?
So 1 mole of zinc equals blank amount of grams. So
Well, let's just ask
zinc,
ourselves. 1 mole of zinc is how many grams?
What's the molar mass of zinc? Molar mass of zinc.
It's 14.
168.1.
What? No.
What?
Zinc?
Wait, no, whoa.
Zinc.
I typed it wrong.
Zinc should be 14.
65.38.
What?
Zinc.
Why am I getting so many different answers? Give me a second. Do what? Molar
Zinc.
mass,
Molar
of
zinc.
Dude, it says it's 14.
Oh, I got atomic mass. I searched up molar mass.
Wait. This is all fucking weird, dude. What the shit, dude? Why did that say 14? Yeah, 14 is nitrogen. God damn it, Google, you dumb cock. Yeah, sorry.
Oh, so it is 65.4.
It is 65. Dude, this is so broken, dude. Okay, zinc is... Oh, you know what it did? Oh, okay. It did Z. It did... Oh, it did
Capital
it as...
Z and a capital N.
Dude, that's so dumb. What? No, zinc, please. Thank you. Zinc is... What? Oh, my God. Just
Dude,
give me
what
the
is
number.
going on with Google?
Zinc glucose.
Actually, you know what this isn't? This is Bing. This is Bing. This is
Bing.
goddamn fucking bullshit ass Microsoft
Eatable.com.
Bing.
Shut
Dude,
up.
Eatable.com.
Bruh.
I'm getting, dude. What? Bill, there you go. That's the correct answer, Bill Gates.
Yes.
Go
yeah,
back
yeah.
to fucking trying to inject all your robots into my blood, dude. Like, go back to doing that. At least you're good at that.
65.4. We will just do 1 to the tens.
65.4 grams. Okay, cool. All right, so I need to write this as like a conversion factor. Okay.
So 1 null of zinc equals 65.4 grams of zinc. So we put
Good.
65.4 at the bottom to cancel it out.
Right, because I need to cancel it out with grams of zinc, right? So this is 65.4 grams of zinc, right? So grams of zinc is going to cancel with grams of zinc, cool. And this is moles of zinc, okay? But again, I don't want things of zinc. I want things of zinc chloride, right? So the next thing I have to do, which is always called the mole ratio, is use my fucking recipe book here, right?
Yep, so
Which is-
1 null of zinc equals, what are we trying to get? ZnCl. 1
It's just 1
null
mole of
of,
ZnCl2.
yeah.
right?
So not much
So
difference.
that doesn't really do anything. Okay, cool.
But we still have to write it.
We still got to write it because yeah, it's still a step because I need moles of Zn to cancel. Well, first of all, I fucked up. This has got to go on the top. This has got to go on the bottom. Right?
Yep.
Because I need moles of zinc to cancel with moles of zinc. Yeah. Last step here is to get
1 null of zinc chloride is
Mhm.
equal to the molar mass, which we need to find.
Yeah, you need to figure out what the molar mass of zinc chloride is. Which let's see. I'm not going to Bing, dude. Fuck you, Bing. Mass of zinc chloride. That's gonna be 136.3.
Well, we gotta show our work for it, so hold up.
She makes you like
So-
show what the mass is for that, really?
Yeah, so Zn, ZO2. So what's zinc again? 40. No, 65.
No, zinc is 65.4. It's not 14. Bill Gates, you're
I know.
fucking wrong.
What's chlorine? Can you search up chlorine?
I think it's like 19 maybe. Here, I'll find it for you.
It's 70. Wait, CO2.
What?
No, never mind. It's
ZL2.
35. 35.
35. Yeah.
35.4 times 2. Or is chlorine diatomic?
Well,
Or-
chlorine is 35, right? And then it's Cl2, which makes it 70, whatever.
Yeah. 7.
If
So
you see chlorine gas by itself, it is
65.4.
diatomic, so it should be Cl2. But
Yeah. Is it part of Hofbrinkel?
Brinkelhoff. I don't know why you guys say Hofbrinkel. Hofbrinkel to me sounds like wrong. Brinkelhoff.
No, that sounds weird.
He's like, yo, you're the fucking weirdo.
136.2.
Good. Yes, that's what I got. I got 136.3, but fuck it, it's close enough.
6.2 grams per null.
Mm-hmm.
You say null?
I mean,
null,
mole. I don't know,
Per
because
null.
we do N, so now I say null sometimes for some reason.
Okay, what's the last step?
Just multiply it. Well, do the
Yeah, so you
equation.
multiply all the top, right? So I'm going to do 20
Yep.
times the 136.3, right? Or 2 in your case, right? And then I'm going to divide that by everything on the bottom multiplied, which is just 65.4. It's pretty easy,
Is
honestly.
it bad that I'm too lazy to do this?
It's okay. I'm doing it for you on the stream, dude.
Alright, did you get 41.7?
Yes, 41.7.
Grams of zinc chloride, dichloride, zinc dichloride.
No, it's
Wait.
just zinc chloride. Just zinc chloride.
Zinc
You don't have
chloride.
to say
they're
zinc
not. They're
dichloride.
not two nonmetals. My bad.
Good. They're not two covalent things. Yeah, it's not a covalent compound.
Yeah.
Good.
All right,
yeah.
Patrick, you want to do number 2 or do you want to go to math?
I think this one's easy, dude. Like, you don't need me for this one. Like, what? This is the same shit. How many
Probably
grams
not.
of copper
Just
metal are
go
required
math,
to...
Dude, math.
All right, let's go to
the same
math.
one.
Math.
All right, let's go full blown, dude. We're going to math.
All right, so
Bitch.
Patrick, we're gonna need. We need to know exponential function, turning a log into an equation so we can set it up into a graph without a calculator.
Yeah, because we have to do that on.
Do you have an
test.
example
Yeah.
question? Do you have an example question? Just throw
We
me
could
an
probably
example
find
question.
one on
please.
Delta Map.
Oh yeah.
Yeah,
Thank you, Philip, for the subscription, dude.
5 months.
5 months, bro, dude. I think someone's up to 6 on here. Someone's up to 6.
I've been really inactive the last month and a half.
It's all good. It's all
But-
good.
Plot points and graph log function, condensing logs. Those are pretty easy. Logarithm.
Condensing logs. Let's practice everything, Patrick. Don't be like we're the only ones here.
You want to do everything that's
Well,
on the
not
Delta Map.
not everything, but like a bit of each, you know.
No one
Like
else
a
has
little
asked a
thing.
question, so you guys can take up the full hour until someone asks a question, bro. Like,
That's fine.
so.
Get a full hour with
do you got?
Daddy Gold.
There you go. What do you guys want to do? Full hour, dude. What do you guys want to do? Like condensing log functions? That's kind of a good one.
We can do
Like-
some of those, yeah.
Okay,
We can
let's
do
say
a
I have this.
problem
Let's- Yeah, I can just fucking create them, dude.
I'm gonna literally name this notability file 1 hour with Daddy Gold.
Here, I'm gonna name it.
Alright.
I need to do that too. Hold on, give me a second.
Okay.
All right.
You guys are funny.
1 hour with Daddy
Hour
Gold. Yes,
with
sir.
Papa
Oh,
Gold.
I forgot I can't do slashes. I do.
Yeah,
double
you have to do
slash.
dashes. All
No,
right.
'cause I do.
Whoa,
I do width.
what is
I do-
that? Whoa, hold up.
What?
Actually, never mind. Never mind. All right, so we'll see.
Okay, how would I simplify this?
Log of
How do you simplify
Actually, no.
Four
Actually,
X
let me
four
make this a little bit hard. I can make this a little bit harder.
minus
So let me make this harder.
little bit harder.
log. Is that Z? Oh no, that's a 2. Is that 2 or a Z?
This is a 2.
All right.
Okay, so we know that the coefficient in the front can just be like to
The
the
exponent.
power of
Yeah, so
the
you move it
main.
to as an exponent of the parentheses.
Plus
Okay, so
there's
what is that
common
gonna become?
bases,
Yes, they're common bases
log,
because it's log.
common log,
base-
Because I didn't write anything, right? Yeah, that means they're common.
Yeah.
bases, yes.
common log.
So when I write
and
this
then
60
it's
here,
gonna
what is
be-
that going to do to this though?
It's gonna be 4x squared. No.
4x
No.
to 6.
No.
No, no,
it's
no, no, no,
4
no,
to the
no, no.
6th, x to the
Good,
6th.
good. It's 4 to the 6, x to the 6. That's the tricky thing here, guys. You got to
Oh,
raise
what
the
the fuck?
whole thing to the
Gotta write
6th
this
power.
down.
Yeah. Yeah. This is
6,
how they always
x
try to
to
fuck with you, dude.
6.
It's everything to the 6th, okay?
All
'Cause you
over.
put it in parentheses.
Yeah, if you want to do that. That's how you do that.
And then since it's minus, it's division.
Well, okay, first we got to fix this bitch first. Like, what do we do with this one?
Oh, then we do the same thing. We just grab the 3
Uh-huh.
and use it as an exponent. So
Okay, so-
minus log parentheses
Uh-huh.
2 to the 3 power and x to the 6.
X to the 6. Good, yeah. Good. All right, cool. All right, awesome. Okay, now what do I do?
Now you set it up as division. So you do the first one over the second one.
Good. So I'm going to say this is log
Log
of the big thing, which is 4
4
to the 6,
6
x to the 6,
x to 6 all over
2
2
to
to the
the
third
3rd,
x to the 6.
So this is kind of nice.
Which is
though,
simple.
right?
X's just cancel out. Or
Good,
no?
yes. These cancel. X to 6 over x to 6 just cancels out. Good. Very good.
Let's go.
Okay. Do you know how to do you know how to
4
simplify
to the
this?
6th in my head. No.
No. Okay, do you want to know a
can
trick?
we do the
There's a trick.
exponent rule?
There is an exponent rule, right? But the exponent rule requires these to have the same base, right? 2 and 4 are not the same
yeah.
base.
Okay, so
You right.
You right. So how do I make these two things the same base, dude? Like one's a 2, one's a 4.
Multiply
trick
the
here.
denominator by 2.
No, because if you multiply the denominator by 2, then you also got to multiply the numerator by 2.
Man,
yeah, what you
what's
gotta
ano-
do to the bottom, you gotta do it to the top, Patrick. Come on.
Exactly, dude. We're all about equal whatever, dude. The attack
Yeah,
helicopter
equal.
has to get a different bathroom that's the same as the great white shark, or something.
Oh God, bro. Gotta be equal now.
We're all equal, dude. What's up, Nick? Good to see you. All right. What's another way I can write 4 in terms of 2 to like an exponent maybe?
2 to the 2.
Yeah, so I can write 4 as 2 to the 2, okay? So watch this. This is like a cool
2
fucking
to the
trick
2
here.
to the 6th.
Good, yes. 2 to the 2 to the 6. 2 to the 2, 2 to
we
the
did
6.
this. I remember, kinda.
I know you did this. That's why I asked you about it. Okay, so what now can I combine these? Can I combine these? How can I combine these? What is 2 to the 2 to the 6?
Shit. I don't know.
Shit.
Shit, I don't know.
You guys don't know what a to the b to the c is? These are exponent rules. You should know these.
Well, you're just multiplying the exponent by the exponent, and then you're powering that. Okay.
Right. Okay. Okay.
Yeah?
If I have
Yeah,
a to
yeah,
the
what
if
Patty
I
said,
have
what Patty
a,
said.
if I have a to the b times a to the c, what is this? A to the what?
That's
A to the BC.
A to the b
C.
plus c.
A to the B plus C. Yeah.
There you
Yeah.
go. Good job. All right. Cool. All right.
So
If
it's
I have
gonna
an
be-
exponent,
We know.
I know. If you have an exponent to an exponent, this is a to the b times c is what this is.
That's what I was saying.
That's what he's saying, dude. Okay. Good. All right. Awesome.
That's
So
what
it's
I was-
log
Log. Yes.
2 to
of-
the 8th.
No. No. What is
What?
two?
to the
it's-
12th.
2 to the 12.
12.
It's not, again, it's not, you don't add these exponents, you multiply them. If you do exponent to
bad.
an exponent, you multiply them.
All right.
So this is 2 to the 12th over 2 to the 3rd. Now do you see how these things are the same base? Now you see, like, mom and dad will be happy, be like, look, they're the same base, yeah.
Then
let's-
you can do the exponent rule, right?
Yeah, what's the exponent rule then?
All right.
This is log
let's
of what?
do
Subtracting.
log
Yeah.
of 2 to the 9.
Good, exactly, dude. Because this is 2 to the 12 minus 3. This is another exponent rule. Okay, cool. All right, this could be simplified a little bit more. How can I simplify this? A little bit more.
Do 2
Little
to the
more.
9th.
What?
You simplify 2 to the 9th, right?
No. Do you know what 2 to the 9th is? I don't know what 2 to the 9th is.
The calculator.
No. What's a rule about exponents and logs, guys? What do we do with exponents and logs?
I mean, they're the same. I know that.
Oh, he's got it,
Okay,
dude,
okay,
he's got
okay.
it,
So,
dude.
okay.
Wait,
Listen.
no, you do it-
Snail it. Snail it.
That's what I was gonna say, bro.
Snail,
Okay, so
dude? What the
log is
fuck?
2. Like
Okay,
you
so
do the
set it-
arrows.
Okay, you set it equal to x, right?
No,
then
stop.
you-
Patrick,
No,
what are you
this-
doing,
no,
bro?
what are you
You-
guys
you-
doing, dude? What?
Patrick, you set up
That's
a
not what I
log
do this.
equation, bro.
You want to do this, and then you're gonna say like what? 10 to the x equal to 2 to the 9th? No, don't do that shit. No, it's
Okay,
easier.
so you grab
No.
that,
Okay.
you grab the
X-
2
X-
and make it your base.
No. Take
You
the
grab the
exponent
9.
here and just put it out front, dude. It's just 9 log 2.
Oh.
Oh shit.
Shit, I know that.
Come on, guys. It's not that complicated. Yeah, it's a little simpler than that. Cool.
Oh,
that's
easy
it.
for
That's
you to
done.
say.
Oh, I
Easy
know.
for
I've been doing this for a fucking decade. So
Easy for you to say
more
with
than
the
ever.
plasma PhD.
Plasma
Like, come on.
PhD.
Plasma
Wait,
physics.
so is plasma a fourth state of matter?
It is the fourth state of matter. Yeah. Fire is
Bro, that-
plasma. All of space is
Nah,
plasma.
bro, that bullshit, bro. They didn't teach
Right,
us
that
that in
bullshit.
elementary school.
I know.
What about
Dude.
blood plasma?
That's different, dude. Blood plasma is very different than fourth state of matter plasma.
All
Dude,
right,
you know what's the
all right,
biggest
next problem.
bullshit is when they did they taught you this for like 3 times 6, and they're like, oh, joke's on you. It's now a dot. It's just like, why the fuck did we just not teach you it was a dot from the beginning, dude? Like what?
Nah, you know what is bullshit? Gas
that's the
prices,
biggest-
bro. It hit 410
That-
next to my house.
Dude, what? Dude, my gas prices are like $5.50, dude.
What?
Like cry, dude. Yeah, dude. They're about to hit 6. Like,
Dude, that's insane.
yeah, I'm about to people ask me to go tutor them to go drive to them. I'm like, no, you can come to me. Gas is too expensive. Fucking, I'm not paying the gas prices.
Dude, it raised 40 cents in the last 2 weeks. near
I
our
know,
house.
dude. Yeah. Well, blame
Well, it's because of the-
blame the fucking Russians and the Ukrainians. Come on, where are the Poles, dude? You guys are supposed to end the war, dude. Come on, Poles. Aren't you
We're
guys,
not getting involved. Are you
Dude,
kidding
we're
me?
You guys are the neighbors.
You not know what happened in the first World
We're
War?
just standing, bro. We got shit on.
Yeah, it's like
Shit on, bro. We kept our peace and we just got shit on.
yeah, that's why you gotta get the first strike, guys. You guys gotta whatever. All right, what's the next thing you guys need to know with logs and shit? What's up? What do you gotta do?
Let's see. Oh wait, can we do the graphing where you give us one and we have to turn it into an
A
X.
graph. We have to graph it.
yeah,
log?
but what is the
You want me to
function
you want me to give you a function and then ask you to graph it?
Well, we need to manipulate it into a blank equation and then graph it. I don't know what it's called.
like a parent function. Is that usually what they
No,
say?
no. Hold on. Let me look.
Here,
my notes,
give
look my
me like a
I'm-
homework question. Give me a
I'm
homework question.
A little confusion.
I'm a little confusion. Yeah, give me a parent question. Or
Wait, Philip, was our thing on Class Kick or was it on?
Yeah, no. It was on Notability.
Chapter 4 review.
Yes. All right. Here, I'll tell him. All right, f of x equals.
Okay. F of x equals cool. All right.
5
Yeah.
to the power of x minus 2,
Okay.
I know which one you're doing.
and then just plus 1, like not to the power, just like.
Just this?
Yeah,
This
yeah.
bitch like this?
Yeah. So
Okay, cool.
now without a calculator. we
Without
have
a
to
calculator.
somehow
Okay, I just know the +1 moves the asymptote thing,
Up 1.
and that the -2 is a shift.
Good. Okay. Yeah. These are
Left.
some good things to know, guys. This is a shift to the
Shift
right,
left.
technically. This is a shift to the right.
Wait. Why?
Yeah. Just in general,
Because
okay.
it's -2.
It's a minus. So anything that's a horizontal shift,
Oh, wait.
those things are
Right, yeah,
opposite.
plus
So
two.
minus moves
Yeah,
it to the
opposite.
right, positive moves it to the left. Anything that's a vertical shift, which is stuff that's like furthest away from the x, positive moves it up, minus moves it down. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I feel you.
So the parent
Ew.
function of this, is just equal to 5 to the x, right? Cool.
Mhm.
Which, well, here we can. Am I sharing my? I need to share my whole screen. One second. Let me change this. Change windows. Change my whole screen. There we go. Okay, great. Okay. Okay, so I can show you like what the graph of like 5 to the x looks like if we just like pull up the handy dandy calculator. Do you guys use this thing? This TI-84 shit?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
This thing's fucking rad, dude.
My savior.
The daddy of daddies.
The daddy of daddy. That's the TI-89, honestly. The TI-89 is baller, dude. But
What's
you
the
only really know.
TI-89?
Hold
Dude, it's
on.
for-
What is that?
yeah,
Let me Google this.
You guys
I'm
don't know about a
Googling this right
TI-89, dude? The TI-89 is boss, dude. Yeah.
Oh my
Good.
god.
Dude, it does symbolic manipulation and everything, dude. That shit is baller, dude. Anyways, okay, this is what.
130 though.
Yeah,
That is
this is a little.
Yo,
expensive.
Dr. Gold, my birthday's coming up real soon. You know that, right?
Dude, listen to this. This sounds menacing. TI-89 titanium.
Yeah, it's called the
Like,
titanium,
oh,
dude.
that
Yeah,
sounds
see how this one's
badass,
silver, dude?
bro.
Why did they skip over gold, by the way, dude? What happened to like the TI-84 gold? Like, I
Dr.
would have bought
Gold
that in a
wants to
fucking
go
hot.
calculator.
Dude, I'm gonna
Dr.
do that,
Gold
dude.
says-
I'm gonna
I
get.
know,
I'm gonna
right?
get.
Give him the golden stuff.
Give me the gold, dude. I'm gonna get sponsored by fucking Texas Instruments. Gonna be like, I want the gold edition. Like, give me the
Yeah,
gold
but-
edition one.
Wait, Dr. Gold, why don't you have a golden car though?
I know. It's my next thing, dude. My next car will be gold colored. Don't worry. Like, for me to do a gold wrap on my car, dude, would be like 10 G's, which would be like
All right,
worth
get
more
a,
than the
get
car's
a Beamer, get an X7,
Yeah.
get a gold, and then pay like $7 a gallon for gas.
Yeah, and then cry over the maintenance, dude. That's what really happens, dude. I'm not trying to
Oh
do
yeah,
that, dude.
dude, they're so unreliable.
I'm not trying to
They're
fucking.
so unreliable.
I'm not paying fucking BMW maintenance prices. Like what? No.
Dude, you need to find yourself a good dealership that will like cover you for
I
like.
need
the
to go
first
find
couple
myself
years.
a fucking sugar mama or something, dude. What are you talking about? Like, good dealership, dude. Okay, if you want to hear something funny, dude, Bomby Boy is like applying for jobs, and like I think he got like an interview at Amazon, and he got accepted for some other thing and whatnot. And so he's like, oh, maybe I got some spending money. I'll go look at how much I could get a new car for. He was calling up the Porsche dealerships, and all of them are saying like everything is like 10 or 20K over MSRP. Like you can't
Yeah,
buy
it's
anything
really
even.
bad.
You can't even buy it at the sticker price. You have to pay an extra
Wait,
20K on top.
You said Bomby Boy's working at Amazon?
He's got like an interview. He's got an interview
So
for like
he
a
can find a
management
last
position.
package that they still haven't shipped me? Alright, bad.
Oh damn! Dude. Do you know you can just call Amazon? They'll just refund you, bro. Like they don't even ask
yeah,
any questions.
I
Dude.
know, but it's like come on, bro. I've been waiting.
I
Like
know.
this was not from Amazon. It was from like a third party from their website.
Oh, so it wasn't. Yeah, dude. That's why I don't buy anything that's not like fucking Prime, dude. Fuck third parties.
Yeah.
All
All right, let's continue with this.
Let's do it.
though.
Okay, so anyways, the graph of like 5 to the x, right? The other thing, you can always just like plug in values, right? And so if x equals 0, what is 5 to the 0?
1.
1. Good. Yes. So like this is always going to be a point where x equals 0 and y is equal to 1. That's the standard function. And then what happens is like as this gets bigger, right? This gets exponentially bigger. So it's going to look like some like crazy shit like this, right?
Yeah.
And then as this gets really, really small, like let's say this is like 5 to like the negative 40. What is that going towards? Anybody know what like? So maybe this is a good review for you, actually, Patty and Phil. What happens when I have a negative exponent? What does a negative exponent mean?
Negative exponent. It's just gonna like make it into a like fraction.
A fraction, yeah. So here's what happens.
It's gonna be
guys.
really small. It's like gonna make no
Yeah, it's gonna
movements,
make
right?
it really
It's gonna be very small. So whenever you have like 5 to the minus 40, what happens is you flip this bitch. So it's the same thing as saying 1 over 5 to the 40.
to the 40.
Yeah, that's what the negative
Yeah.
does. Negative
Really?
exponent just flips it and stays on top, okay? Do you see how this is 1 is equal to 5 times 5 times 5 times 5 times whatever, a bunch of fucking times, like 40 times, right?
Yeah.
This is a huge number, right? What is 1 divided by a very big number?
Very, very small.
Very small
tiny
number. Very good, good. It's
A number
basically
that's
0.
Probably gonna be very close to 0. Yeah.
It's gonna be very close
Just
to
like
0.
Patrick's. Wait.
Right? Yeah, I know. What he's like.
Okay.
Ah!
Do not make me mention something.
Dude, oh yeah. Wait, don't you guys have? Yeah. No size queen competitions here. Okay.
Yeah. Don't.
All right. So as x gets smaller, right, more and more negative, this is going to get very, very close to 0. You see, it's never asymptotically gets close to 0. It's never actually going to touch 0, right? Because the only way for this whole thing to be 0 would be this to like 5 to the negative infinity, because then that's 1 over 5 to infinity, which is 1 over infinity. 1 over infinity is basically 0.
So it doesn't touch it, but it's like right there.
Good. It gets very close. Yeah, dude. It's like I don't know, Philip trying to get a prom date or something.
We have a dance in 10 days.
Do you?
We have a
10
sprint-
days? Do either of you have a date?
No, it's a turnabout. It's a turnabout.
It's a turnabout.
So the girl's gotta ask me, you know.
Oh, he does. Someone says my voice is glitchy. One sec. Let me change that.
Definitely ain't gonna take you.
Test. My voice sounds fine, dude. What the fuck? All right, I'm sorry, Slime Wolf. I'm sorry that my voice sounds bad. Probably your audio settings.
Gonna move up 1.
Okay, yeah. Anyways, all right. So if this is the function right here, right? The question is like, what's the difference between this and this, right? Good. The plus one. What you always want to do, guys, when you're looking at functions and you want to see how they move, look at what is furthest away from your x. Like the furthest number away. The furthest number away from this is this plus 1. Okay. That's the thing that you want to look at in terms of like the horizontal stuff. But if you, how I like to do transformations, and they don't really teach us, I like to look at the thing that's closest to the x and start there and then move outwards. So what's the closest thing to this x here in terms of this equation?
Dose.
Good, the negative dose, right? Cool. This is a -2. All right. Anything that is very close to the x and doing a plus or negative shit, that's a horizontal movement. That's a movement to the left and to the right, okay? So, and the thing with horizontal stuff is that they do the opposite. So -2 moves it to the right 2. I know it seems like it should move it to the left 2. So all this is going to do, that's going to move this whole function like this way too, okay?
Yes, that's what it does.
Good,
Yes,
right?
yes,
Okay,
yes,
cool.
yes.
And you can kind of see this because now what happens is you need 2 minus 2 to get your 5 to the 0, which would just be equal to 1, right? That's where that comes from. Okay, so now
So
that we've
how do
taken...
we find the values?
So we'll get to that. We'll get to that.
Alright,
Well, it depends what fucking values they're asking for. But like here, watch. Okay, so it moves over to the right 2, and then now we look at the next furthest thing away, right? Which is this plus 1. So what does a plus 1 do?
Up 1.
Up 1.
The
Good.
asymptote up 1.
Yes, and the asymptote goes up. So the whole function goes up. The whole function is like we all going
Why
up,
is
right?
that? Like with like linear functions, it's always like the intercept, but why is it that it moves the asymptote up?
Okay, good. Because again, let's look. So the only thing that changes in this function, Patty, is that right? Is x, right? I can only like just make x equal different things, right? So if x is a very, very small number, what did we say happens to this term? What happens when I go like 5 to a very, very small number? To a negative.
A very small number.
Yeah. Well, if this is like 5 to like, I don't know, like the negative 50 over up on the top here, what does this whole thing become?
It becomes a really tiny number.
Right. It basically becomes 0. Do you see how what you're left with is then just plus 1?
Yeah.
Yeah. So that's why the asymptote moves up. So this is technically a plus 0. So when x is a very like negative number, right, and this goes away, the function basically goes to what the asymptote is, which is just 0. In this case, you have a plus 1. So when this disappears, this is still left around. This is still chilling. It's like, yeah, what's up, guys? Has anyone seen that movie? What was it called? Don't Look Up.
No.
Oh, y'all should watch it. It's on Netflix. It's got Leo DiCaprio in it. It's got a bunch of people in it. It's pretty funny.
Don't look up.
Don't Look Up. Yeah, I think it's on Netflix. It's cool.
I'm gonna add that to my list.
Yeah, add it. It's pretty dope. It's a good like commentary on like a modern day society and like how things. Oh, Papa Nicholas has seen it. Nicholas, did you like it? It was a good movie. I thought it was funny. It was a bit stupid. Yeah. Well, yeah. It was a little bit stupid, but yeah. Anyways, okay. Does this make sense, guys? Like what the transformation is for the function?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
The thing you're talking about, Patty, real quick here is when you're talking about like a linear function, like First of all, a linear function doesn't have asymptotes usually, right? By definition.
Yes.
If I have like f of x is equal to, I don't know, like 3x, right, as my regular function. So that's going to look something like, I don't know, like this, right? And then I have another function, which is f of x is equal to like 3x plus 2, right? All that does is that just moves the function up by 2, right? Because that's what this plus 2... Good, yeah, so the y-intercept just changes. So that's all that happens, right? This just happens where, like, for instance, this is now 2. So in this case, right, yeah, this didn't have any asymptotes to begin with. So it's kind of weird to say the function moves up because it kind of just looks like the function moves to the left, right? But that's kind of the same thing. It's like the other thing. Do you guys remember, one sec, this? Was it Parabolas? Do you remember these?
Yeah.
Do you remember? Hi. Oh, what's up? Zeruto's here. Hi. So do you remember how like you can either have this thing compress like horizontally, or you can have it like stretch vertically?
Yeah.
Right. And those are kind of like the same thing. So for instance, if I have like y is equal to like f of x is equal to, let's say, like x squared plus 2, right? And then I have, for instance, if I were to horizontally compress this, that would be like 5x squared plus 2, but this is the same thing as putting something outside of it like this. That's the same thing. Where, like, for instance, you can compress this in, and it's the same thing as stretching it up, right? Stretching something up is the same thing as compressing it horizontally. That's the whole. That's where it all comes from. Okay. Anyways, enough confusion with that. What else?
Plotting the points.
Plotting the
Yeah,
points.
plotting the points. Yeah,
Oh,
we need to plot points.
Oh, okay. Well, I mean,
Like, we need to transform it into y or
Okay,
something.
well, can't we just do like
Can't you
whatever
just plug in?
value we can plug into x?
Yeah, can't you just make a
whatever
table here?
that-
Can you just make a table? You just make a
Yeah.
table, dude.
That's
Like,
what I was about to say.
I would choose values, right, where this whole thing turns to 0, right? So if this is x and this is y, right? My first value I would choose is 0 is 2. Because when x equals 2, do you see this is 2 minus 2, which is 0?
Wait, hold up. So if when x equals 2, then you do 5, 2 minus 2 is 0. So 1 plus 1 is 2.
Yeah, good. Yeah. It's just
And then
like
for
that.
3, it will be 3 minus 2, 5 to the 1.
Yes,
5 plus 1 is 6.
good.
So 4 minus 2, 5 to 2 is... 5 squared is 25, plus 1 is 26.
Good, there you go. And then you should do
So
some
we
lower
can't
numbers.
plot those. Yeah,
Yeah, you
but
can- you
then
can
when
plot
we
those,
do
right?
1 and 0...
2,
then
2.
when
So if you
we
do
do
1...
1 and 0, it's like a decimal.
Oh, 1 and 0. No, so if I do well, if you do 1, right? This is 5 to the negative 1, right? Which becomes 1/5 plus 1. Right? 5 to the negative 1 is the same thing as 1/5. Remember, negative exponents means we turn this, we flip this upside down, right? Do you guys remember that?
Yeah.
Okay. So that's why that becomes 1/5 plus 1, which, yeah, is technically 1.2 is what it is, right? And if we had 5 to the negative 2 plus 1, right? Let's say x is equal to 0, right? That means this whole thing is to the negative 2. Now that's 1 over 5 squared plus 1, which is 1 over 25 plus 1, which is, also like this is small. Like 1 over 25 is 0.04, so this becomes 1.04. You see that?
Yes.
Nice XL gaming, dude. Awesome. So that's what I would say is plotting points. I don't know what else fucking points she wants, right? Those are points.
Yeah, I think that's fine.
He, sorry, he.
Mr. Young.
I assume
No.
that all like teachers are female for some reason.
Kill him, bruh. I don't like that teacher, bruh.
All right. What else
Ah.
you guys gonna do with logs?
Oh, can we do the same thing but using a log for estimate?
Oh, you want to graph a log function? Yeah, that's
yeah,
fine.
yeah. But
Okay.
we need to speed run this so we can do other subjects.
Okay, cool. All right, and then
All
I
right,
gotta.
so g of x
Yeah, give me a function.
equals negative log base 3,
Mm-hmm.
but not like squared, but like outside of it, x minus 2. So it's not to like the power of the log.
Like that.
Yeah.
Negative log base 3 of x minus 2.
Yep.
Okay. Cool. Okay. So this looks slightly different from the parent function, right? What would be the parent function for this?
Log base 3
What if we didn't have any modifications to this? What would it be?
log base 3
Yeah, log base 3 of what?
of x minus 2.
Nah, just x. This is a
Just X,
modification to it.
Patrick.
Just x. And like, even if I really wanted to like get like, you know, tricky, I could say that this is a modification to it. So this is really like log of x divided by log of 3. But yeah, it's okay. Let's just leave it. Let's just leave it as a base. Let's just say this is the simplest. You know, it's like you have like a car with like a bunch of like accessories on it, and you're stripping all the accessories off of it to try and make it like stock. You know, you like rip off the turbo, rip off this. You know. So okay, so this is the base function. Okay, so what do we think is So it's good to first know like what log base of 3 looks like as a function. And so this is where like this is a little tricky with a calculator to do this.
Well, we don't have a calculator when we're going to do
I know.
this.
Well, oh, so you need to know what log equal. You need to know what the graph of log looks like, right?
Well, hopefully there's nothing like this on the test.
Well, I mean, we should know this. Okay, so here we go. So, all right, I'll show you a picture of it. Well, actually, no. Okay, here. You don't get a calculator on your test, right?
Well,
There's like
for
a
a
page
portion
with
of it.
one.
Okay, here. Let's just plug in some values. This is always the best thing, dude. If you're ever like fucking confused, just plug in some values, okay? So I'm gonna say like, for instance, log base 3 of something, right, is equal to y, right? So that means, for instance, if you do your what do you guys call it? Snailing. So this is what 3 to the y is equal to x.
Oh yeah,
right?
that's what I'm talking about right there. That thing.
This
Like
is
where you set it equal to y.
This is a snail thing. Yeah. Okay. Cool.
And you equal to y. There you go. So 3y equals x.
3 to the y equals x. Okay. Cool. So this is actually where you can kind of like work backwards, right? So you can just plug in values of y and then get the x's, right?
Yes,
So-
that's what I was trying to figure out how to do.
So if I plug in y equals 0, what is x going to equal?
3.
No.
Wait, no. Y equals 0. X equals 3. Yeah.
No.
My pen's freaking out.
3 to the 0 is
Wait.
equal to what? I feel sorry for your pen. 3 to the 0 is what?
Oh, 1.
1. Good. See how this is
Isn't
1?
that like the universal value?
Yes,
like
anything to the
1?
0 power is 1. So
Well,
3 to the
like,
0,
I mean-
3 to the 0 is 1. Okay. So, all right, let's try another value. What's another value you could put in for y?
Y 1
1. What would x equal?
3.
3. Cool. Do you see a pattern here?
Yes.
Yes.
Right.
very
Yeah,
much
it's
so,
pretty
dude.
pretty easy. Okay. We could do some smaller values, right? What if it was -1? Ooh, it got
Man, if it was -1, then it'll be -1.
No. No. Come on. 3 to the -1. What happens when I raise something to a negative fucking
alright,
exponent, dude?
Flip it.
flip it, right?
One
See, this is
third.
1/3. Good guys. Wow. Very smart.
Alright, wait, hold on.
Wow, fella.
So is there any transformations? Like, does the log 3?
Oh yeah. The log
the
base.
negative makes it decay.
No.
Like,
No.
Is it-
I
is
see.
there-
but like the negative.
Is there any shifts?
There are shifts, right? Okay, so we're just doing it for this. I want you guys to get what the base function looks like, and then we'll do what the shifts are. Okay.
Okay.
So if I make a table of this shit, right? You know, of what I have, right? So let's graph some points, right? So at x equals 1, y equals 0, right? So that's like right. Here, let's mark it in blue. X equals 1, y equals 0, right? X equals 3. Y is equal to 1, right? X equals 9. Way the fuck out here, it's equal to 2, right? You kind of see how there's a trend where it's like it's taking a while for it to like go out that way, I guess. But then let's get to smaller values, right? If x is 1/3, it's all the way down here at -1, okay? And actually what you end up finding is if we make this y value more and more negative, right? Let's say this is like 3 to like the -40 or something is equal to x, right? What is x going to equal?
Very small number.
Very small number, right?
Close to
So
0.
as you get very close to here, to x being equal to 0, your y value gets very, very negative, okay? So that's why this ends up being kind of like an asymptotic behavior here, where this thing tries to touch an asymptote right here at what is it? Fuck, x equals 0. There's an asymptote right here. Do you see why that is?
Yep.
This is also a special rule you guys should know, is that you can never take logs of negative numbers, right? X can never be negative. Like, I can never take the log base whatever of something that's negative. The reason being is, if I do my snail rule right here, 3 to, like, any power will never be negative. There's no way to raise something to a power and make it negative.
He told us that.
Good. Okay, well, I told you
that.
too again. Yeah, that's why. So this is the important thing about logs, is that, like, they can't ever be negative, right? Okay, cool.
Yep.
So this is the original function. This is the original log base 3 of x, okay? Now let's look at what happens with our transformations, okay? Again, always look at what's the closest thing to your x, right? Which is right here. So what's the closest thing happening to this?
X minus 2, x equals 2, so that's our asymptote.
So
X
minus
is
2. Minus 2 is moving it which way?
It's the shift.
Up, down, or left, right?
Right.
To the right by...
No, wait.
Yeah, it's to the right by.
Because, okay, it's close to the x, which means it's horizontal. And because it's a horizontal shift, it's opposite. So negative moves it to the right, okay?
That's what
So-
I just said.
So good. Yeah, so this is now going to move it this way. I don't know, something like this. Okay, so now this has a new asymptote, right, at 2. Okay. Now look, there's another transformation here. What? So what else?
It's a negative, so doesn't
Good,
it
it's a
flip
negative.
over the x-axis?
Good. Yes. So since this negative is outside of the parentheses, outside of the argument, outside of the whatever this is happening, this is called a like a vertical like reflection thing, right? It reflects it vertically. So yeah. So what's gonna
now,
happen?
Instead of decaying, it's gonna be growing. Wait, no,
So, yeah.
it's gonna be going
No,
up.
gonna
So
be
now it's
decaying.
no, it's still
Coming from the up.
well, it depends. Yeah, something decaying or something growing. It depends whether you're going from the left or from the right, right? Technically, this is growing left to right, but it's decaying right to left, right? But here, yeah, this is what the flip looks like. Do you see that? This is the negative flip. So now it is decaying, because in America we do everything from left to right. We don't really read things from right to left. Yeah, cool.
Yes.
And that's how you do it. You could also see that if you wanted to graph that on a calculator. Although it's interesting. Do you guys know how to write bases, like different bases with logs in
Yes,
in
press
calculator?
math. Press math.
What, can you?
log
Really?
base.
Press math. Press math to the very left. Very left.
Very left.
Right under alpha. Then scroll all the way down to A. Right there.
Oh, no fucking way. Oh, that's cool. That's a cool trick. Okay, but here's like the way you should do it.
Wait, there's another way?
Well, this is an algebra rule. This is a log rule that you should know. Okay, so if I have log base a of b, that's the same thing as log of b over log of a, where this can now be any base as long as it's the same base. Okay. So in your calculator, if you want to figure out, for instance, what's the log base 3 of 4, what you're going to type in your calculator is log of 4 divided by the log of 3. Have you seen that before? No.
Trying to think.
Okay, yeah. This is important. Like, you should know this. This is a very important log rule here. Like, you need to know this one. And notice how this can be any base, right? So I could have made this like, whenever you type log in your calculator, it assumes it's base 10. Okay.
Yeah.
So this is technically log base 10 is what this is. You could have also done ln of 4 over ln of 3. What's special about ln?
It's log base E.
Log base e. Good. Yeah. So watch this. So if I do, for instance, well, let's try it your way. What is this? What's this base trick? I've never seen this, dude. But how does this work?
Oh,
Oh, they make it fucking easy, dude. That's so nice.
I
Okay,
like
cool.
how I'm just watching you guys in big confusion.
Well, dude, if you're confused, like, ask some questions, dude. I'll help you answer them. But if
I
it is
don't
like
know
super
what-
above your head, like, it's okay.
Yeah.
All right. Do you see how this is
Oh
like the same
my
answer
God.
both times? Oh, Habib's got a
Wait.
question. Good.
whoa.
Bro,
That's not
Mr. Young
fair.
and up, bro.
He
Yeah,
coulda
look at-
known, bruh.
Yeah, you should know this. Do you see how these all get the same answer? It's all the same fucking shit.
No
That's
way.
crazy, bro.
That's bull, bruh.
Yeah,
Some
it is.
bullshit.
Our
Okay.
teacher's an op.
You teachers are not. Okay, here, find another question. I'm gonna answer Nick's question real quick, and I'll give you guys both bond coins. Give me a second. User Patty.
What was the last
From 2 points. Oh,
When was the
User-
last time I got a bond coin? It's
I don't
been
know,
a
dude.
minute.
You'd have to look at it, dude.
solving
probably-
exponential equations. What the?
There you go. Yeah, go. Yeah, pull, get a homework question so I can just do it for you guys and I can show you.
I
Just
got
get that.
you, fam. Or I could just tell you. I could just tell you.
Okay. Well, yeah. One sec. Let me do next. Nick, are you here, dude? Nick.
Mhm.
Okay, cool. Here, I'm pasting your question in. I think. The fuck can't it paste questions in? Come on, you dumb bitch. Oh, it's trying. It's thinking. There you go. Now it's working.
Okay.
Someone says time
Put it
zones.
in, put it not in. Hey yo.
Here, I'll be back in a second.
You're good.
Yo, Mr. Gold.
What's up, Demented dude? How's it going, brother?
Yo.
I want to drop by. I'm probably
Dude,
gonna
good
be
to see
in
you.
the class today. I'm a bit sick.
Oh, okay. I hope you feel better, dude. I'm sorry you feel sick.
Oh yeah. Yeah, I'll just be in tomorrow's class. Just want to stop by.
Dude, I appreciate you spamming the server in a bunch of things. That's sick.
No, don't worry about it.
We got some people coming in. Did someone come in with the name Cocor or something? I renamed them to Sprite Slut.
Hey yo, what?
Someone said their name was Cocor coming into the Discord. I was like, dude, you can't have the name Cocor, but you can have the name Sprite Slut. So I made him Sprite Slut.
I honestly don't know. I just posted it in the server. Said
That's
join
cool,
up.
dude. All right, here we go. What's your question here, Nick? Write an example of a run-on sentence, dude. Okay, here's a run-on sentence. Like a run-on sentence is just something that just like says like too many things. Like it's
I don't have enough big brains for that.
or here you go. Here's an example. A run-on sentence is something that you would want to like you want to break something up into multiple sentences. So an example of this is like Jack all the time when we're playing video games. Sometimes is like I was playing with Dr. Gold, and we won, and then we won some more times, and then we won again, and then it was fun, right? That's an example of like a run-on sentence. You see how that's just like too many things being said in one sentence?
Hmm.
Okay.
Picture of this?
Okay. Are you gonna submit this to your teacher? I was playing with Dr. Gold and we won.
Bro, I really don't care. I don't know.
Okay. All right. How will you fix it? So I will fix the run-on sentence by breaking it up into multiple sentences. That's how you fix run-ons. Here's the corrected form. I was playing with Dr.
Like I would show you how she
Gold.
fixed,
and we won.
other sentences
Afterwards,
that she did,
we won some
bro.
more times, and it was fun. That's
Like,
what
this
I
is
would
how
say.
She would this is how she would fix her sentences. Where the frick is this picture? This and yeah.
Okay. Nice. Okay.
Like this.
I
with the
thought it
rat.
was. I thought I saw a rat, but it was a rabbit. My favorite part. However, yeah. So that see how I said like afterwards. Like this is what you do. So you have to like break it up into multiple sentences, and then what you say is like and add transitionary words to tie them together. All right. That's an example. I didn't spell together right, but see how I said like afterwards we won some more and it was fun. You know, that's all it's doing. Get something that's just like a big run-on, bunch of sentences, break it up into other sentences, and put some cute words in between that just like makes it like progress. Cool. All right, Patty. I'll do Patty Phillip, and then Habib. I promise I'll answer your question with the last 5 minutes. Cool. All right.
Thank you
What's
for not making me think too
Wait,
hard.
actually, hold on. Can I do this? I don't know. Okay, so it's
So what is it?
2 to the 4x equals 78.
Oh, okay, this is easy. Yeah, equals 78.
Should
I
use
think
like
it looks easy. I just
Um,
can you snail that? Probably.
so the key thing you want to do here is you want them to have the same base.
Yeah. So what is?
So
we gotta make it 2.
so you got to make this something in terms of twos, right? Yeah. This
Yeah.
is kind of tricky. 78 is kind of weird. Um,
2 to the what power is 78?
Nothing. Two to the nothing is 78. This is actually all right. Okay. There's like an elegant way to do this, and then there's like what I call like the brute force tank way. Okay. The brute force tank. Let's say, for instance, this was like 32. This would make this a lot better, right? Because I could write this as, for instance, 2 to the 5th, right? And now, how do you see? Do you see how like I just need to say that 4x is equal to 5?
Yeah. So basically, you just want to find common bases, and then you could just multiply the exponent. Or
Right.
set the
These don't have
exponents
common
equal to each
bases.
other.
78 does
Yeah.
not have 2 as a common base, because
Mhm.
so this is where you got to do the brute force method, which is you just log both sides. Okay, just take the log of both sides.
Okay.
Okay. Oh, if I could do something today.
So would it be log base 2 for x?
Yeah, you should do that. You should do log base 2. Yeah. Yes. Because what that's gonna do? What's up? So what we're doing some exponential solving problems here. So what that's gonna do is that's gonna pull the 4x out in front, right? So now I have 4x log base 2 of 2. What's log base 2 of 2?
1.
Log base 2,
1.
2, 1, yeah.
Patrick,
Yeah.
you didn't know this? Come on, boy. Come on.
So then this is log base 2 of 78, right?
Is log a number or is just
Log is a function. Log is something like sine. You know, you ever seen like sine of like 3x or something? Log is just another function, is what it is. But it has some weird rules that you'll learn about soon, Nick. And when you get to it,
Dude,
I'll
my
teach you more about it.
pen.
Dude, your poor pen, dude. This is the plight of the digital age. Okay, so now that I have 4x equals log base 2 of 78, right? The next thing I need to do is divide by 4 on both sides, right? So now I have x is equal to what I'm going to say is 1/4 log base 2 to the of 78, right? Okay. This you plug in a calculator. You could also bring this up top if you really wanted to, right? This is now x is equal to log base 2 of 78 to the 1/4, which is the same thing as saying log base 2 of the 4th root of 78. Do you guys remember exponents turning into roots?
Yes.
So if it's like 1/4, that's the 4th root. If it's like 1/2, it's that the square root, right? Yeah. Okay, good. That's what this is. Okay. And then this is something you just plug in your calculator. Because unfortunately, like 78 doesn't reduce very nicely. 78 just goes into like 2 and 39, right? Which is like 3 and 13. Like this is ugly. Doesn't really do anything. But yeah, that's a good
I
one.
want to see what that is.
It's just in your calculator. It's just gonna be an ugly decimal. That's what it's gonna be.
Yeah.
Just be ugly. Get me another one, and I'm here. I'm gonna do Habib's question real quick.
All right. I think I got enough today. I'm gonna go eat. Your
Okay,
boy Philly
good.
hungry.
All
All right.
eat-
Thank you,
eat-
Dr. Gold.
You're very
you
welcome.
later,
You're very
bye.
welcome. Good luck on your test,
I
dude.
feel like I'm still screwed, but
Okay.
well.
Well, here, get another question that makes you not, so that I can explain it to you, so you don't feel like you're screwed. Just find something
I'm
else.
gonna
Find
look at my
something else.
review and see.
Good. Yes, that's perfect. Do that. Okay.
I have a lot of questions, but it's like logic math thing, whatever it's called.
Uh-huh.
And yeah, I don't want to deal with that right now.
Okay. Well, that's why I'm here.
I'll
Here to
read-
deal
I'll
with the
read
shit.
you a few sentences. It's so dumb. I don't even feel like trying to understand it.
Do you have a picture of it? Just take a screenshot of it and just take a picture of it. That's the best thing.
Yeah,
If you feel like you can't be fucked to even like talk about it, just take a picture of it.
inductive and deductive reasoning.
Yes. Yeah, inductive, yes, I know. Deductive reasoning, I forget which one is which. One of them is like if this cat is brown, then all the cats are brown or something, and then
Bro,
yeah, I
don't
know. It's like logic shit. Okay,
Are you able to like give me all the answers for them, or
I could maybe
maybe
work through
one or
them,
two?
but not in the amount of time I have
I'm
left.
gonna take a picture.
But take a picture
Yeah,
of it.
next time.
Yeah. Okay, so Habib, here we have this angle ABE, right, which is the red one, is 120 degrees. Angle CBD is 135 degrees, and they're asking for what's the angle of DBE, which is this They want this one right here. This is the question mark. Okay. This is kind of cool. Ugh. Okay. Damn, this is a hard one, dude. Where did you get this from? Or this is like stumping my brain.
And we have a whole freaking paragraph.
One
A
sec.
whole
Let me
freaking
figure this
essay to
out.
read just to understand.
Gold, if you allow Sword to double ping me one more time, I will smite him.
What's he doing? He's what is he double pinging you on, dude?
He double pinged us. You pinged us and then he did.
Oh, whatever. Yeah. Oh, I see on the Avery ones and whatnot. Yeah. I try to give my mods enough like abilities to be able to do things correctly. They'll figure it out.
Sometimes we'll figure.
You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna call these things some fucking angles. This is when push comes to shove, I'm just gonna write things as like angles. Okay.
This is my whole entire homework.
Okay,
Are
cool.
you just
I see
that
it.
lazy at this?
No, he just can't be fucked. Okay. So, if I label this angle X and this is 120, I know 120 plus X is equal to 180 degrees, right? Because that's a solid line. I'm calling this Y, which I also know 135 plus Y is equal to 180. Okay, that's some cool information there. Okay, and then this is another angle I don't know. Let's call this like angle Z, for instance. Okay, so let's see how this works. Okay, so I know that this angle plus this angle is 135. Oh, nice. Someone got some bond coins. Good job, Patty.
That was the.
Okay, so X plus Z is equal to 135, and this whole thing, which is Y plus Z, is equal to 120. Ah, okay. So this is nice, because now we have three things I don't know. I don't know X, I don't know Y, and I don't know Z, but I have 4 equations. So technically I can solve this. So this is an interesting one for sure. Okay. So this tells me right here that X is equal to 60, right? This tells me right here that Y is equal to 45, right? If I just like move these over. So now I have 60 plus Z equals 135, and 45 plus Z is equal to 120. Okay. Oh, which that just gives me the answer. Oh, okay, great. Actually, I didn't have to do all this work. Okay. So Z is equal to 75, is that right? Yeah, and if Z is 75 here as well. Okay, cool. All right, yeah, answer. There you go. Answer is Z is 75. That was a little convoluted, but you get the right answer at least. All right, we got a little bit of time. Let's see, user. You're very welcome, Dr. Lin.
Thing that we can see how many tickets we've bought.
Yes, I'll post that later today.
Okay.
Okay, what's up, Patty? What else you got in your review sheet?
Okay. This I just have to memorize formulas.
Mhm.
I think it's kind of similar to the one we did earlier. It's like finding, or no, it's like similar to the one we just did, but like instead of finding common bases, it's just like it was
Okay,
different. I
just
don't know.
give me
Okay,
an
so
example of what it is.
It was 0.8 to the 2x
Mm-hmm.
equals 0.0007.
Okay. Write the
And-
decimal as a fraction, right? So this is 8 over 10 to the 2x is equal to, this is 7 1,000ths, right? So this is 7 over 1,000 to the whatever, to the 1, right? Yeah.
Yeah. The way that it showed how to do it was, it just did log base of 0.8,
Yes.
and then the value is 0.0007 equals 2x. And I don't know, I just find that really weird. I don't know.
Well, okay. So you can do log base. This is weird. Log base decimal. Like, sure. Okay. 0.8 of 0.8 to the 2x, right, is equal to log base 0.8 of 0.007, right? 2x is going to come down, right? So I have 2x. Log base 0.8 of 0.8 is just 1. So that's 2x. 2x is equal to log base 0.8 of 0.007, right? Next thing is divide by 2, right? So divide by 2. X is equal to 1/2 log base 0.8 of 0.007. Hey, who the fuck is calling me? One sec. Tell it to stop.
Oh no, is it girlfriend?
It's not my girlfriend. It's spam callers.
Bruh. You know, I know a person that picks up the phone and says, "Oh, I can't say it on stream." Never mind.
Okay.
I'll
Anyways, what
tell
this
you
ends up
the
becoming
story
is
later.
this is log base 0.8 of 0.007, and then that's gonna be to the 1/2. Cool. Nice. Good to see you,
Huh?
Habibs. Yeah.
Wait.
That's all this is. It's just log base 0.8 of
1/2 log base 0.8
0.007. Which honestly, dude, this is just fucking ugly, dude. Like, I hate doing all these decimals, dude. This is so dumb.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, we're gonna.
I'm
Yeah, I know.
so confused.
I know because this isn't like a good question. 8/10.
I mean, it's a good question if it's hard. I mean,
Well, it's not hard. No, it's just annoying. This is just like dirty. You know.
Yeah. Yeah.
okay, so I should do it like that.
Just log both sides.
Yeah.
Log of 8/10
Uh-huh.
to x equals log 7/1000.
What is this?
This is math.
I just told you.
So
Dr.
2x log
Goldilocks.
I've been called Goldilocks before.
So, we're playing Warzone.
We're gonna play some Fortnite. Today's Fortnite. We're gonna play Fortnite right after this.
x equals
And
oh, so you're dividing into their
can
O's.
you like
Okay.
make a vote? You know.
Well, we're gonna.
That's your.
That's it. That's all it is. That's what you get to, and you should just plug that in the calculator. Log of 7/1000, log of 8/10. You know. That's the way to do that
Let's
one.
pick one. I say I in favor.
So weird.
I know.
Say I in
It's
favor.
not weird.
Fortnite.
It's just a dumb question, is what it is. Like it's not even hard. That's just like it's just annoying, is all that is.
Thank God mechanical's not
Okay,
here.
yeah, it's just okay. So when there's no log in the equation, right?
Mm-hmm.
You just want to try and make both. You log both sides.
Yes, to bring down the
Try-
exponents. Whenever
Yeah.
whenever you have the variable you're trying to attack is in the exponent, just log both sides in order to bring the exponent down. That's the beauty of logs, is that whenever you have like I don't know like
The log, and
like
log
69 to the x, right? If you take the log of that, that pulls down the x to make it x
so
log
it's
69.
X log 69.
And then this is just a number. It's just a fucking number. And now you can do stuff for x.
Okay. Wait.
Cool.
Why is it that log is a function, but it's also a value in like these sorts of equations?
Log is a function, but when it's log of a number, then it's a value. It's like, for instance, sine is a function, guys, right? Like sine of x is a function, right? It looks something
Yeah,
like
sine
this.
of X, yeah,
But like,
that's retarded.
but sine of like 0, right, is equal to 0. That's like a number, right? If you put it, if you
yeah.
put an argument into the function, then you get a value.
Okay.
Okay, cool. Is your test tomorrow?
Mm-hmm. First
Okay.
class of the day.
Well, good luck with your test. Next time you have a test, like hit me up earlier. Like hit me up a couple days beforehand. We can go through all of it, like in more time. But I'm glad we had most of the hour to help you out with this.
I feel like I should be good. We'll see.
Okay, good. All right.
Can
Well,
we
good luck with it.
acknowledge- Can we acknowledge that Jack doesn't give a F? He doesn't even care about office hours. He's already in the freaking VC. The
Is he? He's already in the VC, dude. Zach is
recess,
dude,
bro. Oh my lord, bro.
He's savage, dude.
My man's on the grind. The
Dude, he is
wrong
on the
reasons.
Dr. Gold, did I get my bond coin for
I think you did. I did give it to you. I should have given it to you. Did I?
Philip?
Oh my god.
Did I give it to? I thought I gave it to you. Oh, I didn't, dude.
know.
What the shit? Oh no, I totally did, dude. Okay, I'll give it to you again. My bad.
Sick, dude.
User Patty. There you go. Got it to you. Cool.
Now I got 16. Sick.
Nice. Let's go.
Alright.
Okay, sweet. All right, nice. Good job.
Thank you.
You're very welcome. All right, that's it for office hours. Thank you guys for showing up and whatnot. So now what we're gonna do, if you guys wanna come play some video games with us, we're gonna do some Fortnite. Unless no one wants to play Fortnite, I'll play Fortnite at least for like 15, 20 minutes, And if no one wants to play Fortnite, then I'll switch to Warzone. But like how the tournament is gonna work is Monday, Tuesdays are gonna be Warzone, and Wednesday, Thursdays is gonna be Fortnite because we're gonna compete in both games. Because some of you guys play Warzone, some of you guys play Fortnite. I want to give you guys both chances to like.
I don't play Fortnite.
Compete.
How
I
about
know.
Sunday?
Sunday, we could do some games on Sunday. I'm gonna do some games on Sunday. Maybe we can do like a bonus game on Sunday. Like you guys vote for like what game we play on Sunday. Or we're definitely gonna play
Jackbox
Jack.
again.
Yeah, we can play Jackbox games on Sunday for sure.
Jack Box or Jack the Box?
Jack the Box, dude. Yeah. All right, here. Let me raid the channel real quick.
I'm second place.
Wait.
All right, I'll throw us
You
into
can
recess.
switch
Let's go into recess. Come to recess. What's up, Jack? What's up, dude?
Yeah. Yo, what's up?
Yeah.
I've been waiting for the whole hour.
I'm very yeah. Sorry, I was helping Patty out, or sorry, Patty and Philip. I was helping them out with their.
What are we playing first? Warzone, please.
we're gonna play some Fortnite first. I'm gonna see who wants to play Fortnite.
Fortnite, bro.
Then I will play some Warzone.
Go.
Let's see. Does that okay? All right, here. I'll do a vote. I'll do a vote right now. All right.
I call flying.
Who in the chat wants to play Warzone? Who in the chat wants to play Fortnite? Like just tell me.
Wait. I gotta answer this too.
Yeah, someone put it to a vote. Put it to a vote, guys. What are we voting? Warzone. You know my answer. I see one answer for Warzone.
Yep.
Oh, you know mine.
I'm on Fortnite already.
I'm getting in there. I call be a winner.
Oh my God, Jack! Holy Jesus! Holy baby!
Oh,
Jesus.
I see Fortnite. Okay, so we're gonna play some Fortnite. We're gonna do it. We're gonna play some Fortnite.
Yeah.
There's enough votes for Fortnite.
Almost.
I know, but you're the only one that said Warzone. Everyone else said Fortnite.
Y'all are rude.
Y'all rude, he says. All right, I'm gonna stop this stream.